Your type is Sweden boy, like guy, Sweden boy.
Oh, no, no, no. I like Asian boys.
I'm Asian, by the way.
Oh, good. Where you from?
I'm Thai.
Stop the cap.
Sawadee ka.
Sawadika. So, your boyfriend, your ex, like, he is Asian?
He was from Lebanon, but
Your classmate, something like that, or long distance?
yeah, exactly.
You can do it? Long distance relationship, like, really? Oh, he cheating on you, right?
No, I broke up
Oh, you.
because he was weird.
For example, what about weird?
He was very jealous.
Oh, maybe he
Too much. Too much.
overprotective, something like that.
Yeah, I don't like that. And he was, every time I went out, he wants to come. He was really protective.
Okay, but because he loves you, right?
Yeah, but I don't like that.
Oh, you like free, like a bird, something like that.
This is what I like right here. This is what I like right here.